Hey everyone! Welcome back to Skin Whisper, your go-to spot for all things beauty and self-care. Today, we're diving into an essential topic: how to choose the right skincare products for your skin type. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of products out there, don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, you need to know your skin type. This is crucial because using the wrong products can do more harm than good. Let's break it down into the main categories: normal skin, balanced, not too oily or dry. Lucky you, oily skin, shiny and prone to breakouts, especially in the T-zone. Dry skin, feels tight, flaky, or rough. Hydration is key here. Combination skin, a mix of oily and dry areas, usually oily in the T-zone and dry elsewhere. Sensitive skin, easily irritated by products or environmental factors. Take a closer look at your skin. What do you see? And don't forget, your skin type can change with the seasons or as you age. Next up, let's talk ingredients. Knowing what to look for and avoid is a game changer. Here are some key ingredients for each skin type. Oily skin, look for salicylic acid, niacinamide, and clay-based masks to control oil. Dry skin, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides are your best friends. Sensitive skin, opt for fragrance-free products with calming ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile. Combination skin, you might need to mix and match a lightweight moisturizer for the T-zone and something richer for dry areas. And remember, avoid harsh ingredients like alcohols or synthetic fragrances, especially if you have sensitive skin. Before slathering a new product all over your face, always patch test it. Apply a small amount to your wrist or behind your ear and wait 24 hours. No reaction, you're good to go. Now, let's build your skincare routine. Here's a simple, effective order to follow. Cleanser, choose one that suits your skin type to remove dirt and oil. Toner, hydrates and preps your skin for the next steps. Serum, targets specific concerns like acne, dark spots, or wrinkles. Moisturizer, locks in hydration. Sunscreen AM, protects your skin from harmful UV rays. Think of this as your skincare sandwich. Each layer has a purpose. Last but not least, consistency is key. Skincare is a journey, not a race. Stick to your routine and give your skin time to adjust. And that's it, a step-by-step guide to choosing the right skincare products for your skin type. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to channel name, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our tips. Remember, healthy skin is happy skin. See you next time.